Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. This is physiology portion of MRCS. The question: a 34 years old man present with peptic ulcer disease or peptic ulcer, which of the following is responsible for a release of the gastric acid? We have to find out the cells which is responsible for a release of the gastric acid. That means the gastric hydrochloric acid. And this patient is suffering from the peptic ulcer due to overproduction of the gastric acid or overproduction of the hydrochloric acid. Here the options are chief cell, parietal cell, Brunner's gland, G cells, and none of the above. So we have to find out one of the cell from which the gastric acid is released. So here we can see the parietal cell are responsible for the release of the gastric acid, and the Brunner's gland are found in the duodenum. So this important two parameters is very important to remember. First of all, the parietal cell, which is located in the stomach wall, inner wall of the stomach, and it is responsible for a release of the gastric acid. On the other hand, the Brunner gland is present in the duodenum, and this Brunner's gland, it is the characteristics of the duodenum, because the Brunner's gland present only in the duodenum along the whole of the gastrointestinal tract. So the Brunner's gland, it is very important to remember that it is the only feature of the duodenum. These Brunner's gland are not located any other area of the GIT. It present only in the duodenum. And here we can see the parietal cell which present inner lining of the stomach, and here we can see this luminal side, that means stomach in this side, and this is the outer side. And here we can see the hydrogen is released by active process in exchange with the potassium by the hydrogen potassium exchanger by using the ATP. On the other hand, here we can see the chloride is released in the gastrointestinal tract, and this hydrogen and chloride, they form hydrochloric acid. So here we can see this is the different type of cell in the stomach. There are the different type of cells such as the peptic or sheath cell, ECL cell, oxyntic cell, mucous neck cell, and surface epithelium. So our option is ready. It is the parietal cell. So the parietal cell, it is really, responsible for release of the gastric acid in the stomachs. And here we can see the Brunner's gland. Brunner's gland, it is located only, it is the duodenum. G cell, it also present in the stomach, but it is responsible for release of the gastrin. And sheath cell, it also in stomach, but its function not releasing the hydrochloric acid.